The ocean, huge, puzzling, and full of life. But under its surface hides a quiet killer, a man-made crisis that puts its most defenseless creatures at risk: plastic pollution. For one sea turtle, the battle to stay alive starts now. Each year, more than 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans. This plastic chokes ecosystems and puts countless species at risk. Sea turtles, gentle swimmers of the sea, face some of the worst effects. This turtle's chances look bleak, yet a fresh spark of optimism looms on the horizon. Innovators and conservationists are fighting back. They combine technology and compassion to change how we deal with ocean pollution. AI helps drones spot plastic hotspots with pinpoint accuracy. This guides rescue teams straight to places where sea creatures need help. The rescue requires great care. Each piece of plastic removed brings the turtle closer to freedom, giving this innocent creature a new lease on life. This goes beyond saving one turtle. We need to tackle a crisis that has an effect on every part of our oceans. This turtle swims back to the wild today, showing how tough it is and reminding us that even small deeds can spark big changes. We have the power to make a difference. When we cut back on throwaway plastics, back cleanup efforts, and pick eco-friendly goods, we help keep sea creatures safe and bring our oceans back to life. Each little action counts, because when we work as a team, we can transform waste into something valuable. Be part of EcoWild Rescues as we tell tales of optimism, breakthroughs, and transformation. Subscribe now and be a part of our mission to celebrate and protect the wild.